Hello and welcome to solving a system of equations by graphing in 5 minutes or less. So in this problem we have a system of equations. For our example, we have two equations. All we have to do is graph the equations and see where they cross and write down the answer. That's it. Graph the equations, see where they cross, write down the answer. So the hard part is probably the graphing the equations. I'm going to make the y equals 3x minus 4 my red equation. I'm going to color code things so it's easier to follow along. So for y equals 3x minus 4, the slope is 3. I'm going to write it as 3 over 1. And your y-intercept is negative 4. Now, for slope, I like to write down both versions of my fraction. 3 is the rise and 1 is the run. I can keep the same slope if I have another fraction with the same answer of 3. That would be negative 3 over negative 1 is still 3. So to graph this, I have all I need. I'm going to graph the y-intercept is negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm just going to count the slope. Rise of 3, run of 1. Rise of 3, run of 1. Watch. Rise of 3, go up 3. Run of 1, go 1 to the right. Rise of 3, go up 3. Run of 1, go 1 to the right. Rise of 3, go up 3. Run of 1, go 1 to the right. Once I have enough points, I just connect the points, and there is my first line. Now, to graph my second equation, y equals 2, it is in slope-intercept form. It's y equals, now since there's no x, it's 0x plus b, meaning that my slope is 0, and my y-intercept is just 2. It is possible to graph the equation with this information. You can go to your y-intercept as 2, and if you know what a line with a slope of 0 looks like, you can just graph it. But students tend to mess that up. People who are new at this tend to have trouble. This is much easier to graph if you just make a table. Since y equals 2, I'm going to make a table, and in my table, the y is always 2. The x is whatever I want. Once I have ordered pairs, I can graph them. I have negative 2, that's 2 to the left, comma 2, that's 2 up. We have negative 1, comma 2, which is 1 to the left and 2 up. We have 0, comma 2, which is 0 right left and 2 up. And I have 1, comma 2, which is 1 to the right and 2 up. Once you have enough points, you connect the dots and you draw your line. And then you look for where they cross. Now, I see that these two lines cross right here, and this is at the ordered pair, 2 to the right and 2 up. That is at 2, comma 2, which means the solution for this system is the ordered pair 2, comma 2. Again, you graph the two equations, you see where they cross, and that is your solution.